Do not ever befriend a backbiter. One who backbites. One who comes to you exposing the lives of other people, revealing the secrets of other people. Because be very sure that if your friend today is backbiting others, he's sharing and revealing their secrets. Tomorrow it'll be your turn. Tomorrow he will backbite against you. And how many examples do we have in society of such people? You go to these people, you tell them, look, this friend of yours is not a good friend. He says, no, but so far he hasn't harmed me, he's loyal to me. Tell him if he's not loyal with others, tomorrow he could easily flip against you. He can change. So make sure you do not befriend one who does ghiba, who's constantly speaking about the faults of other people, exposing the secrets of other people, because realize that you'll be next one day. And this is the sunnah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If I befriend such a person, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make the circumstances in a way such that this same person will turn against me and ruin my life one day.